So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and here is a quick update regarding the Hacktoberfest claim process. So yesterday only I uploaded a short video regarding how to claim your t-shirts, and basically if you haven't watched this short video, make sure to watch it. Now here I am showing you step by step guide how you can claim your Hacktoberfest swags. This video will be little bit detailed so that you are not missed with any steps. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's come to the main topic over here. Here you can see Hacktoberfest web pages here. You have to come to the hacktoberfest.com. Now here you have to just click on this register for Hacktoberfest. In case you have already registered, you have to just initiate with GitHub. If you are using GitLab, you can use it. There is no issue. Now here I am using the GitHub. As I already created the account, so it will just redirect me to the basically the account details. So here I'll show you what is the next process. So basically for the t-shirt you need to be at least completed 6 pull requests. Okay, six pull requests you need to complete. If you haven't seen how to create a pull request, I'll share everything at the last of this video. So here you can see all these things are mentioned over here. So here in the reward section, when you scroll, here you can see badges are available over here. Okay. Here you can see all the badges are available over here. And here you can see you have awarded a tree. So this will take at least, suppose if you have created the pull request today, now it will take 7 more days for completing. Basically the 7 day is a review period, because if anything happens to your project, or maybe by mistake the repo maintainer marked it as spam or merge it, then they can correct it. But once 7 days are passed, suppose if you have started from 1st of October only, now you have got the email already. Okay. Now here you can see we have awarded a tree and tea, both t-shirt and tree. Basically tree, in tree what they do, they plant a tree in your name. Okay. And for the t-shirt, you can see here that get an exclusive Hacktoberfest t-shirt for super contributors. Okay, those super contributors who have completed 6 pull requests and they are genuine without spamming. Okay, so here they will be getting swag. Here you can see we have got email also. In the mailbox also we have got one email. You can see that we have got a tree also, and you have completed a pull request. Let me show you that. Here you can see all these things are mentioned over here. Okay, you can see your email also, or you can directly claim via website also. So here if you want to claim, already I have claimed the t-shirt. For that you can watch the short video, still I'm showing over here. So for claiming purpose you have to click on claim, and here basically it's showing that your code is already redeemed, because I have already redeemed it. So now let me show you using the t-shirt also, sorry, tree also, because the process are similar to it. Okay, now here you can see it's redirecting me to a tree website, but here basically I have to mention and select the trees, and we have to order the tree. But as you want to order the swags, what you need to do here, basically your order details are mentioned over here. Okay, now here what you need to do, you need to just search for the email over here that you have completed the 6 pull request. Okay, you have completed the Hacktoberfest, and simply you have to just check that email. So here let me see where it is. Actually it's not showing over here, so let me help you with the short video only. So here I'll show you how it proceeds. So here you'll be getting this kind of badge. Okay, badge email. So if we are able to find this badge email, Holopin has sent you a badge. Okay, so let me see this badge. Okay, so here you can see this badge that Hacktoberfest has sent you a badge. Now you have earned Hacktoberfest 2025 badge. Now here you have to simply click on claim badge, and then it's showing link is expired. Do not worry. You have to just click on this sign up option, and then you have to sign up using the GitHub account. Okay. sign up using the GitHub account also, or you can use the username of the GitHub account. How you'll find it? You have to simply come over here, click on this, basically sign into your GitHub account. Okay, come over here, click on this, and then simply click on profile. Here is the username, you have to copy it and simply come over here. Where is the website? Here you have to mention your username, then email and password. Password basically for creating the account, new password is required. Once you click on sign up, then let me show you the next step. So basically here you have to just click on this badge. Basically, you will be redirected to this badge only. And then simply scroll down. Here you can see the code is here. Okay. And then store is here. You have to simply click on this store and then copy the code. And basically here you have to paste the code over here. And then simply click on redeem. Now after that you have to select your region. Whether you are from India, Europe, or basically whatever region is mentioned, and then after that you have to select the t-shirt size, you can see here, and then click on continue. After that you have to mention all your details. Make sure to enter your details like name, address, location, all these things you have to mention over here. Okay, all these things including your mobile number. I'll recommend in the address add your mobile number because they will be sending via post office. Yes, by India Post they will be sending. It is an international order, so make sure to do follow this. Okay, if you have already claimed the badge, you can see here. I'll link the short video also. You can check it out how to claim it. If you have any query, you can let me know in the comment section. Basically, this Hacktoberfest is a month-long event. In case you haven't got this, basically here what will happen? Here, by default at the top, it will show the basically here you can see. Here it will show that time remaining, like 1 hour remaining, 1 day remaining, depending on the PR when you have created. For example, if you have created the PR within the 7 days, it will be showing like this. For example, if you created the PR on today, okay, then it will be showing on 17th of October that your PR will be completed. So you need to wait for the review period. And for those people who have completed the Hacktoberfest successfully, congratulations, you did a well job. And you need to wait for at least 4 to 5 months. Basically, by January or mostly by February or March, you will be getting the goodie because it is a international normal package. They don't send by FedEx, etc. They send by normal USPS email, sorry, USPS mail or UPS mail by they just transit it like this. So this is the quick video I wanted to share because many of you are commenting that how to redeem the Hacktoberfest. Please guide us. So this was the video for all. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. You have any query, comment down below. Do join our social media handles, Facebook, Twitter, and most importantly, Telegram and Instagram. So have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye.